My name is Natalie, and I'm here in the Alcott Bentley showroom, and today we're checking out our beautiful display of ceiling medallions. Ceiling medallions are circular, oval, or square relief embellishments applied to the center of the ceiling and usually surrounding a hanging light fixture. Historically, plaster ceiling medallions could be found in parlors, plain and opulent, from the late 18th century all the way through the Victorian era. By the 1930s, ceiling medallions fell out of favor and plain white ceilings became the norm. However, today, ceiling medallions have made a comeback, and they're being seen in some of the most beautifully designed spaces. Whether you want to enhance a light fixture or create a dramatic ceiling finish, medallions will never go out of style. I encourage you to check out your ceilings. Are they screaming to be recognized? Could your ceilings use a little creative flair? Call or email us for more information on how you can add a ceiling medallion to your home. And as always, we here at Alcott Bentley are hoping everyone watching is staying safe and healthy at home. Join us next time to see what other treasures we have for you.